So you want to run ZimmWriter, but you're on a Mac and there's no Mac version. You're screwed, right? No, not at all. In fact, there's an even better solution to using ZimmWriter, and I would do it even if I was a Windows user. Let me explain in this video how we use a remote Windows desktop hosted on a remote server to bring out the absolute maximum of ZimmWriter and its capabilities. So how do I run a remote Windows desktop and keep ZimmWriter running on my Mac? It's simple. You can use a lot of different sites, and I'm not endorsing the one I'm at, but this is the site that I've used for probably the last 2 years, and it's worked out really, really well. So how do we do it? Simple. We just head over here to contabo.com, and I'll bring it up. Contabo is based in Europe, but I've had great luck with them, and the pricing, as far as I know, unbeatable. Really, really good. So we head over to Contabo, and then we're going to look for their remote Windows desktop. So here we go. There's a page here. You guys can see that. We'll put that in the link as well. But you want to head over here, and it's their Cloud BTS1 remote desktop, so $15 a month. You literally just click on that, complete your purchase. You're going to have to include a Windows license. I think total cost, I paid just under $20 a month. And I now have a remote Windows desktop that runs ZimmWriter just beautifully. I'm going to go ahead and share mine and show you how I'm running ZimmWriter on a Mac and how it works flawlessly. So I'm now on my Mac and I'm running the Windows app, basically, for on the Mac. You can download right from the App Store. Microsoft makes it. And you can see right in here, I've got my ZimmWriter configured. It's not technically ZimmWriter, it is a remote Windows desktop. I can run anything on it. But all I need to do is go ahead and click on this, and it's going to open up my instance. Let me show you how easy it is and how it works perfectly. All right, I'm now on my Mac, running Windows on a remote Windows desktop located in Germany while I'm sitting here in Alabama, the United States. Notice it looks just like a Windows desktop. Everything's pretty normal. I'll move my face over here. You can say I'm running Windows, no big deal. And you can see I've already got ZimmWriter up and running. When I say installed my desktop, logged in, first time I had to download ZimmWriter, no big deal. Install it, no big deal. Get it configured, no big deal. Same way you do on any Windows computer. And now I can go ahead and run this anywhere. Why do I like this? Well, not only can I run this anywhere, which is great, but I just shared a video on the remote or the bulk writer. And I love the bulk writer. One of the things about the bulk writer is the ability to do a number of posts at one time. I can load up 10, 20, up to 1,000 at one time. I've never done 1,000, but I have done in the 90s, maybe 100 at one time where we've had a large project to get done and I needed to write a bunch of blog posts. I can load all those up in the remote desktop and get them running in ZimmWriter. And when I go ahead and close the desktop on my Mac, it still runs on that remote server. It's still running, it's still going. So while I close my computer down, go out to dinner, maybe travel, whatever I need to do, head to the airport, you name it, ZimmWriter is still running in the background on that remote Windows server, and it's running flawlessly. I don't have to worry about upkeep. I don't have to worry about updates. It handles everything and it works perfectly. So if you're on a Mac and you're looking to run ZimmWriter, I'm telling you, a remote Windows desktop, it's the way to go. I hope this overview of why it is. I hope this overview of how I leverage a remote Windows desktop, hosted in my case on a server in Germany while I'm in the United States, provides an incredible solution for me to run ZimmWriter and other Windows applications from anywhere in the world on any device that I have by simply having an internet connection. I wouldn't use ZimmWriter any other way, even if I was a Windows user, because of the flexibility and the power that I have by using a remote Windows desktop. To me, as an agency owner and as a professional content creator, I can't imagine a better solution. So I hope this was helpful. I'd love to hear your feedback though. Let me know down in the comments and tell me what you think or if you have any questions. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.